Okay, we've got our site up, we got our site installed, we got our all-in-one SEO plugin options set, and so we are ready to, let's go ahead and take a look at our site the way it is right now. And this is what our site will look like. And so you can see nothing's on it, and we're going to need to do some work on it. I mean, we're going to do that. Now let's go back. Let's go ahead and add our categories that we're going to use. And one thing sometimes I do, I will use pages for my main pages. Now, the front of our site is going to be our main promotion. It's going to be kind of like a blog type, review type area right on our front site. And we'll probably use pages to just for our main pages, okay? And then we'll have a blog and we'll have posts, but we're going to go ahead and use pages and a static front page. So we know what our product is going to be, and we can do the categories right now. Remember, the categories are going to be for our blog post. Let's go ahead and get our front page, our main money page, our call to action page that we're going to drive traffic to. Let's go ahead and get that set. And I want to be honest with you, I do use a software to build my sites. This is, I'm not pushing this on you, but this is probably one of the best pieces of software that you can purchase, and it's one that I've used for a long time. It's Nick Jolin's, and it's just really cool and it's really fun to use. So we're going to be using that software. I'm not going to lie to you, I do use it, and that's what I use to build my Amazon sites. Software is Blog Profit Pro, and I will give you a link on this page that you're watching the videos on. If you're not already watching them on YouTube. So since this is not a training video as far as showing you how to use Blog Profit Pro, I'm going to just be building the site. So I'm not going to show you how to use it, but you will see a good portion of how it's done. Just to let you know what I'm doing now, I'm adding our site to the software. And since this is going to be my site, I'm going to go ahead and get me a new Amazon affiliate ID. Now, how we're going to add another tracking ID, I've logged into my demo Amazon Associates account, and I'm going to add a tracking ID just to show you. And what you do is you click on Manage, and it's going to take you to the page where you're going to update your tracking ID. What you have to do is click on Add Tracking ID. So we're just going to put in what the name of our site is. And we're going to click Search, and it's going to let you know if that ID is available. And it says it is, so I'm going to copy this, and we're going to use it. Okay, so now we're going to start building our Amazon site. We're going to give it a post title. We're just going to name it Top Headphones. It's going to be the static page when we get done. Now you can use whatever form or whatever you use to get content for your site. I use many different sources, many different techniques, but whatever that source is that you use to get content, and you want to get a content that is about headphones or specific content about the specific headphones that we're promoting. Now, what we can do is we can do a search for articles within this software. So we're just going to paste the product name, and I really doubt it that you're going to have any kind of content that has anything to do with this particular product, but we can check and see. Okay, here's an article that we may take a look at. Now, what you want to do, you need a good, whatever you want to use as far as article rewriting or anything like that. I don't want you to copy this and put it in. You can use it, but you want to make sure and rewrite the article. And here's another good article that we will take a look at rewriting. I do use Spin Rewriter, and it works pretty well. Now keep in mind, I recommend that you actually go and research the product, check out some of the reviews. It's got 11 reviews. do some more research on the internet and write your own product review or write your own content. For this case, I'm getting some content together pretty quickly so we can start building the site. Okay, so back inside of our software, we're going to go to our toolbox and we're going to promote an Amazon product. It will open up Amazon. I'm just going to paste in the product name that we have, and I'm going to click on Go. And I'm going to pick this particular product. It's the one that we are targeting. And it will take you to the actual product page. Now, before I link to this page, I am going to go ahead and take these features, some of the features here, because we can't get them the other way. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in our editor, just so we will have them. And I shouldn't have put them right there. Let me delete that. I'm going to put them down here. Okay, so we'll have that. Let's go back, and what we're going to do is click the link to this button. Okay, we have our article in the stages of getting rewritten. I'm going to bring this up just a little bit, and I'm going to take it that you didn't even get to see what I've clicked up here, but here's all the tabs. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back down just a little bit. We need to take this title, our product title, and we're going to put it over here into our editor. Now, you need to have this in, what we will do, we're going to highlight that and we're going to make it a heading 1. And before I did that, I should have done one more thing, but and what this is doing is we're putting our main keywords in a H1 on our site, on our page. So it needs to be an H1. We need to have an H1, H2, and H3 actually. And what I'll do is I use a few different pieces of software. I'm going to give you everything that I use, so you can have it. And then I'll put those links on the bottom of the videos, on the video page actually. Okay, this is the first article that we put into our software to rewrite. It told us it's 95% unique when compared to the original text. So let's go ahead and check Copyscape, and I'm going to put in my keys. Okay, so Copyscape told us that there are only 9 results that are less than 10% similar. So this is a great article to use. It's very, very unique. Copyscape says it's okay, and Google will love it. So we're going to click OK. So we're going to use this article. Okay, so we got our first article inserted, and now we're taking a look at another one. Again, I'm rewriting this particular article, and this particular article is about a different set of headphones, so we're going to have to adapt it. While we're rewriting that article, let's go ahead and we need to bring this back up. Let me do that again. Our heading 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring in this product description. We're going to go ahead and use the product description, and we're going to have to make some changes in here, but we will go ahead and add it. Okay, so we've got our product description. Missed one right there. And we got pretty much the way we want it. Okay, so we got our product description the way we want. We're going to add an image now. So I'm going to click on insert an image link. We're going to put it about right there. And we're going to align that to the left. Okay. So that image is linked with our Amazon ID. We have our description. We're going to put a call to action right afterwards, and we're going to use this particular ad. And we'll put it right under there for us, and we will center it. And before we go on building that particular page, let's go ahead and talk about another plugin that we're going to add. The plugin is called Azon Lister, and we're going to use it as our call to actions. It's a good plugin. I recommend grabbing it. And we're going to add one more plugin that I'm going to provide for you. And that plugin is RankCode. And we will go ahead and RankCode SEO. I'll provide that for you. It's just going to help us SEO optimize our content. Now we're going to add this product to Amazon Lister. So we need to put in our Amazon settings first. What we're doing now is grabbing the ID of the product, and we're going to add that to the plugin. The SIN number. We're going to paste that in, and I know I'm going through this really quick, so I understand that. So let's give it a custom title. Actually, we'll just use the title that it generates for us. So we're going to click on Get Product Data. So what will happen is we're going to add this to our page after we publish it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add a video. So I'm going to go back up to my toolbox and do YouTube video search. So we're just going to put a video. We're going to select a video, and then we're going to click on link to this. So now we have our video, and we can insert it. We're going to choose the size, and we're going to put it right under the features. We'll put 560 349 and insert the YouTube video. And once we've done that, we're done with that. So let's go back to our Amazon product. Go ahead and put another ad. Let's bring this down one line, and we will put this ad in. We'll line that to the right. Okay, so we're getting our, it's getting built pretty good. So we're putting everything together. We got the description, we got a call to action, and we're going to add another call to action when we publish it. We got our video, and then we got another buy now area. We got our article with another buy area here. Okay. And now what we're doing is adding the other review that we found. I know I didn't show you finding this, but I'll show you what we used to get it. So we've rewritten using Spin Rewriter, and we're going to add that. So we're going to come back over to our editor where we're working. And what we will do is add it in here. What we'll do is go ahead and add it before all this. So there we go. Now we need to make this the right size. Okay. Now we need to go in and make some changes to this review article. Just to give you an idea, this article was about this particular product, and we're going to make it about our product, the product that we're promoting. We've rewritten this, copy escape past, so let's make the changes now. So what we'll do is go up, and we're going to copy this, and we're going to put this in. Now, the fact that the content is unique is what is important. Because we really don't want them spending a whole lot of time on our site, right? We want them to click and go to Amazon as fast as possible. That's our key. So we're going to update this. Now we need to do some work as far as optimizing, bolding keywords and putting some affiliate links. So what we're going to do is we're going to bold the keywords and then link them to our Amazon account. And just to show you how we're doing the link, we're going to highlight our keyword, which is the product name, and we're going to, let me pull this up just a little bit so you can see. We're going to click on replace text with affiliate link, and we will click on that to only the highlighted. So that will make a Amazon affiliate link there. We need to do the same thing here, and we will click on replace only highlighted. So there we go, we got our affiliate link. Now we need to go through and do the rest of those, and then bold some keywords. So what we've done, we've gone through and bolded and italicized some of our keywords. Okay, and we're going to further this. We're going to take a look at it more after we publish the post, or publish the page, I should say. Okay, so let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is click on our all-in-one SEO. We're going to put in our meta description for this particular page. We want to make sure our description has our main keyword in it, and then we click done. Now we're ready to go ahead and publish this to a page. So where it says blog post, we're going to go ahead and put on page. Okay, so we have our page title, and what we're going to do now is click on page, and we're going to post to blog. So what we're going to do now is open our site and take a look at it. First, what we need to do is go down to, let me bring this back down so you can see. We need to go down to settings and reading. We need to put on a static page, and we're going to select the page that we just published and click on Save Changes. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now before we do any other kind of changes. So you'll see that we need to make some changes to it, but we're getting to where we need to be. Okay, so we're going to stop this video right now, and trust me, I understand that all that stuff is just, it kind of got breezed over, and you may not understand it all, but I really hope this helps with getting the idea of what we're doing. And I'm sorry that we went over too fast if we did. So we're going to stop this, and then the next video we'll pick up where we left off.